everyone, I'm Soumya and welcome to the Talking Mascara. Today I'm doing a Indian festive look. Since Raksha Bandhan is round the corner, so I thought of coming up with a easy festival look. Before that, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So firstly I'm going to start with my face. I'm using a primer from Maybelline. This one is great for people with oily skin because it gives that blurry effect to your skin and at the same time hydrates your skin. Next for foundation, I'm using a mix of two foundations, Maybelline Fit Me foundation and Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild. This combination gives me that perfect shade for my skin which looks pretty natural to me. So I'm putting the foundation in a dabbing motion using a beauty blender. You can use a brush or a beauty blender, whatever suits you. I'm applying some foundation on my neck also so that my face and my neck looks even. I'm done with my foundation. Next I'm moving forward to a lip mask. It is from Lineage. Till the time I will be doing my rest of the face and eyes, this mask will give hydration to my lips. Next I'm using a concealer from Maybelline. It is in shade Sand. This is one shade lighter to my skin tone. So a concealer, guys, should always be one shade lighter to your foundation shade. Next I'm packing my concealer by using a loose powder from Maybelline. You can use a compact powder as well. Onto the eyes, I'm using a Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in shade Nude Beach. I'm taking a golden color and applying it to the crease and all over my eyelid. Guys, this shade is not super shimmery gold color, so it works applied this way. Next I'm picking this warm brown shade and using a fluffy brush. I am defining my edges and taking it to my crease area, deepening my crease area. This will give me a nice shade which is a mix of gold and brown color. Now I'm picking this light orange color and I'm going to apply it in from the inner corner of my eyes till the mid section of my eyelid. Next I'm taking this golden color and I'm going to apply it right on the middle part of my eyelid so that this color pops out really nicely. Next I'm using an eyeliner from Nykaa. I am going for a very small wingy eyeliner because it is easy to do and at the same time it looks very classy. Now for my lower lids I'm taking that warm brown color again. I'm finishing the eye look by applying some mascara from Maybelline. I will be wearing falsies later. If you want, you can just put the mascara and this look is still gonna look really pretty. And of course, no eye look is complete without popping your inner corners. Here I'm using a golden color from the highlighting palette of Nykaa. You can use any golden color that you have. For my eyebrows, I'm using this palette from Maybelline. I take brown and black shades from this to do my eyebrows. Moving on to applying eyelashes. Now getting back at face again, I'm using this contour from Color Essence. It's a creamy textured one, so it blends very easily. Next Next I'm taking this peach color from the palette and applying it as a blusher. Moving on to the lips, I'm using a lip liner from MAC in shade Spice. I'm topping the liner with this very nice shade from Colourpop. It's a liquid lipstick in the shade Bumble. Guys, it's a very nice nudish brown sort of a color. Finally, my most favorite part, highlighter. So I'm using a Nykaa highlighter and I'm putting it on all the high points of my face. And with that, this is the final look, guys. I've styled it with a bindi and a pair of big earrings. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.